Hey guys, I am SMCFX trader, and in this video I am going to show you how we can get an 1 minute scalping entry. At first we have to look at the market structure. Like it is bullish, then it will make an higher high and higher low and another higher high and another higher low and another higher high, and then it will change its shift, okay, its momentum. Like it will make a change of character, then make a lower high and make another lower low. Let me put it right away how it goes. Okay, let me show you. Like this is a breakup structure, and for me this is another breakup structure. Okay, and market all on a sudden market doesn't break this low. What it does is it breaks this low, this protected low, and it makes a change of character. It's okay. Then we have to get another confirmation, like whatever it gives. Okay, then look at it that it makes change of character and breakup structure again. This is a breakup structure, this is a breakup structure, and this is a change of character, and this is then another followed by breakup structure. Then we have to look for entry at some sort of this area, okay, like 61.8% or another OB. We'll get it. So what is a change of character and breakup structure, I will give it in another video, but at first let me show you how you can get an entry. Let's look at the following guidelines that you need to follow. At first you have to look at 15-minute time frame order block, and then liquidity to target, and then we have to look for change of character, then breakup structure like this market structure as I have showed you, and refine 1 minute OB. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, at first then let me show you. At first I went to this area, like when I took this trade I went to this area, and it was like a 30 or 45-minute OB. Let me look at it. Okay, let me refine it. Like I can look at this area. Okay, this took this Asian high liquidity. Like if you can, as you can see, I will show you. I will make it bigger and show you how this high is protected right now. Okay, let's look at this, that this high is just above the line. Okay, and it took the Asian high liquidity and then dropped down. So right now I need to look at this order block and this entry that mitigated it, and after that I can look for another confirmation at this level. So let me go into another order block following this. If I go right, then I can see that market came up. Okay, same side, that this high was an Asian high liquidity that was taken, and this was another Asian high liquidity that needs to be taken later, not right now. And I thought that I should look for an entry at this order block, so I went to the 1 minute time frame, and what I saw was amazing. Like let me show you. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I got it. Let me show you. Let me make it bigger for you easy. Okay, and let me just remove this Asian high. Okay, this was this zone, and I saw that market was making breakup structure again. Like let me show you. This was a breakup structure, this was another breakup structure. Okay, and this was another breakup structure. So market was bullish, and all on a sudden market made a change its character. Like it broke this low, okay, and then it made this equal low that I can target easily. Then I thought that this was a change of character, so we need breakup structure. But before that, so to confirm this breakup structure, I thought that this was the order block that needs to follow. So it was a breakup structure and it was an equal low liquidity. So I thought I should target this and take this entry. So I went to this time frame, 1 minute time frame, and mark this area, mark this 1 minute order block, this OB. Let me make it bigger for you. This OB, this particular OB, this was the OB. Let me change the color to yellow. Okay, this was the OB. Then I thought I should take an entry. I should take a short position from this area. So I immediately entered from this setting stop loss right above this. Like, I don't like more than 4 pips. That is the actual entry. So I thought I should target something like this was something that I can target, and there was another something low that I should target. So let me go to 15-minute time frame and let me make it bigger. So let's see what we can target. First we can target this. Let me turn on this Asian range again. Okay, so this was the Asian low liquidity, and then we can target this another London session or something like every session. Like this was a London session and its low is a liquidity, and this was a New York session, so its low is liquidity. Every low and high is some sort of liquidity that you can target. So I thought I should target this was another equal low, so I thought I should take my 50% right here, 50 to 90% right here. So when market came and gave me this bullish bearish pressure, so I thought I should wait for more. So my final TP was this area, like this, or this low at London. Then as you can see, this entry is how much? 1:24 trade, 1:24 RR. So this was a super easy trade that I took, and it was so easily TP hit. And let me show you how you can get another entry at this 15-minute or 1-minute time frame. Like, let me show you. This was an FBG. This was a fair value gap that you can enter from, and you can, it is a 15-minute entry. Let me be clear, it is a 15-minute entry. You can take it from 1-minute time frame and get much big RR, and you can set your stop loss right above this high and target this low again. And it was a 1:4, and if it was a 1-minute time frame entry, then you can imagine the RR. It will be so crazy. Like, at then you saw this breakup structure at this particular level. So it was another trade that you can take. Like, I myself have taken multiple trades at this level, so this was another trade that you should take. Okay, and if it was a 1-minute time frame, I can't remember how much it was. Like, it was 1:20, something like that. So that's how you can get your entries easily, and you can target 1:24 RR, 1:4 or 10, 1:6. This is a 15-minute OB, this is a 15-minute, this is a 1-minute entry refined. Like, I have shown you how you can get your entry. So this is super easy, and you can get so much profitable using this entry model that I follow. So after that, if you want to join my group, you can contact my Instagram, and the link is pinned down in the comment section. And I have my Telegram group where I share sometimes my ideas on thoughts on EU, and mostly I trade EU, GU, like whatever trading opportunities I get, but mostly I trade EU, because if you focus on one pair, you can master it and you can become profitable so easily. So that's how it goes. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it all, and please join my Telegram group and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. That's all, and I will see you in the next video.